and welcome back to another episode of Google My Business Problems. I'm Brooke Borup, your host with My Clone Solution, and today we are here with Allyzon from Cast Haste, and she is going to tell us that question, that burning question about how long your blog posts actually have to be. This is a huge question that is asked all the time because everybody wants to do just enough work for their SEO, but not too much work for their SEO. And we're going to come up with this answer today. So Allyzon, what do you have for us?
So there is no golden rule to how long any blog post should be. You can read pretty much anywhere from any popular marketing blog that they'll say, 800 words to 1,000 words performs the best. However, the honest truth of it is that Google looks at this as an HTML to text ratio. And on a competition level, you can pretty much say, hey, what are the average size, text length of positions 1, 2, and 3? And for the keyword you're trying to rank for. If I'm keyword typing make money and I see the top 3 results are all between 800 and 1,000 words, then I'm going to do that. It's really more on a keyword to keyword basis as far as, is my content long enough?
So based on that answer, what you really want to pay attention to is your competitors' blog posts. So if you are trying to rank for some of the same words and phrases that your competitors are ranking for, make sure that you are in the same realm as what they're doing. Just like you should be in all facets of your business, it applies to your blog too. This is Brooke Borup with Google My Business Problems, and we'll see you on the next episode.